What's up, guys? Today in this video we will be fix one problem. Actually, when we connect our physical device to computer, so they are not showing in the Flutter project. Okay, you run your app or test app. Okay, so maybe you used Android Studio, maybe you used VS Code, maybe you used React Native or the Flutter, but when we connect the physical device, so they are not show. Okay, like see there is a window. Okay, window, Chrome and Edge. This is actually the Flutter projects. Okay, so how to add our device in this list? Okay, actually for example, we are run on Android. How to add that device, because some devices are not connected to a project, and that's why I make this video and fix this problem. So first of all, you go into the mobile setting and about section, and when you just go into the about section in Android mobile, so click 7 time or 8 time build number, so they will be create open developer option. Okay, when you just go into developer option, so under developer option there will be debug mode will be on. This is actually simple, you all will be done there now there. So what we actually do, so our device detect in this projects. Okay, so you do one thing. Okay, you just first of all you connect to your mobile through the USB connector. Okay, then see there is, for example, I have Honor and Huawei phone. Okay, so I will be install this application. Okay, this applications Honor Suite, or yeah, of course Honor Suite or Huawei Suite, or maybe the other mobile phone. Okay, something. So nowadays their latest versions come the Android, so they are one that you just connect there here. Okay, device are not connected. When you just connected the first time, you will be connected there, so the second time this will be not required. You just go into there and on the debug mode. Okay, so there is, see there is a window. Okay, so going to Android phone. Okay, and you will be see the charging via USB. Click that option and transfer file. Okay, choose the transfer file in the Android phone. Okay, after that you just going to setting, exactly I told you, system and update, and there is developer option, and going to developer option there will be USB debugging. Okay, USB debugging option, click that. Okay, and allow. So you will be see there that will become. Okay, take time. Okay, see this is now this is coming. Okay, so in this video you will learn how to connect a device, Android device nowadays, to the Flutter project or React Native project or other project, because this is problem is actually coming in the new version of the mobile system or updated VS Code. So you should first of all go into there and install Huawei or Honor Suite. Okay, this one, and that will be connected to your projects. So if this video help you, so if this video help you, so subscribe the channel, and for the next video. Okay, and anything, if you just face a problem in the project or something else, okay, so told me in the comment, I will be make video for you. Thank you.